Hey guys, what's good? It's Brittany and welcome back to my channel. So today for you all, I have a Nordstrom try-on haul along with some other cute pieces, including some mall brand designer dupes. Now, if you are new here, I do videos 2 times a week on starting my luxury collection, as well as giving you all the look for less, including dupe videos, and of course fashion videos where I do try-on hauls like this one. So if you are interested in any or all of that, definitely make sure you subscribe to my channel. And guys, I'm so close to 2,000 subscribers here on YouTube, so it would be so awesome if you guys helped me get there. And of course, after you subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you stay up to date. So now that you've joined the tribe, let's get started with the try-on. So this weekend I went to the mall and I picked up a few goodies from Nordstrom. Now if you all follow me on Instagram, then you already know because I share all of my shopping trips on my IG stories. So you see me try on a lot of these items, and today I will show you what I actually got. And if you are not following me on Instagram, I'll go ahead and link all of the information up there for you. All right, so the first thing that I got is this cute little pink blush blazer, and the reason why I'm putting it on right now is because I took it off to see the brand. So this is by the brand Chelsea, and of course I will have everything linked in the description box below as usual. Now this blazer, again, is a cute light blush color and it's thigh length. Actually, it goes a little bit past my thighs, and just for your reference, I am 5'8" and about 150 pounds. I'll go ahead and put the material that this blazer is made out of on the screen. I have no clue how to pronounce it. So it's made with mostly that and just a little bit of nylon. And I really liked it because it was super easy to iron. It stays like smooth, like it doesn't wrinkle really fast. It's a nice dressy blazer, but it can also lend itself to being casual. It almost kind of has a linen look and feel to it. And something else that I really like about this blazer is the fact that it is machine washable. Now, you know you're getting old when the fact that something is machine washable is exciting to you, but you guys, the way my irresponsibility is set up, I just don't have time to be going to the dry cleaners, especially with my 2-year-old. Like, no. So I love the fact that this is machine washable. And I also really like the length of the sleeves. So right now I have it rolled up, but it really does, if I roll it down, it will go all the way to my wrists. And if I have any other fellow long-limbed people out there, then you know what I'm talking about with the struggle of finding things that are either long enough to reach your ankles or long enough to reach your wrists. So I really do love this jacket for that. And like I said, there's just a lot of ways that you can wear this jacket. So if you guys want to see something like that, let me know in the comments below and I'll film that ASAP. All right, so the next piece that I got are these jeans from Good American. So if you guys aren't familiar, Good American was co-founded by Khloe Kardashian. It's mostly like denim and jeans. I believe recently they do also do fitness and athleisure wear, but you guys, this is a size 4 or 27. Of course, it's got a little bit of a stretch to it, which is why I can fit a size 4. But if you guys have been following me, then you know I'm 2 years postpartum, and unlike most celebrities would have you believe, every body, every woman is different, and their snapback is different. It's with some people it happens immediately, with some people it takes a few months, and then there's people like me where I will probably never get back to my, without like killing myself, get back to my pre-pregnancy size, because I mean, like, I was 120, 125 before I got pregnant, so I probably will just never get back there. But it's still taking me a while just to lose like the extra stomach fat. But I'm so excited to finally be in a size 4 again. It feels so good. If it wasn't stretchy, I would probably be a size 6. But anyway, now these jeans are probably the most expensive jeans I've ever purchased. They were about $159. And I know that that's a lot for some people for jeans, but I have found, and especially as my body has changed and as I've gotten older, that if you want a certain look and feel and style and a certain type of quality, then sometimes you do just have to pay more. Now, I also like the wash of this denim, and then I also really like that it's not super distressed. The only really distressed part is the back ankle part of the jean, which like if that distressed look ever goes out of style, then you could still wear these. And I actually feel like both of these pieces are pretty classic, but they're also both very trendy pieces right now. So I'm so excited about those pieces from Nordstrom, and now we will move over to some of the other goodies that I got. So there's this store in my mall here called Dana. This is what the tag looks like. And it's a cheapy little store. Like, it's just got super trendy clothes. I feel like it's for probably someone a little younger than myself, but they still had really cute stuff. So the first thing I got from there, and you will see a trend here, I've gotten a lot of pink items, but it's just this cute little tube top that's ribbed and then it ties at the bottom. I just thought that that was a super cute little top for summer. And then I also got another pink top from them. So it's just like a short sleeve t-shirt and it's got a twist tie in the front and it's cropped, and I just thought that was just something simple but a little different and cute as well. Again, because the jeans that I'm pairing this with is high-waisted, I think that these will both look really good without showing too much skin for what I'm comfortable with. Now, what intrigued me to go into that store is as I was walking past, their window display had some really cute shoes, including some designer dupes. The first pair of shoes that I got, and I don't believe these are designer dupes, but they are just a really cute pair of slides, and I just love everything about these. They're super casual. They are pink, of course, and then they also have that cheetah, that faux cheetah, faux leopard, but these are just super cute. And then another pair of designer dupes that I have been obsessed with recently are the Oran sandals. So I really like these because it's a different, trendier take on that item. It definitely has like the dark like metallic, which is on trend right now, and of course across the band here it has that like PVC sheer, a dark gray. And so these are really comfortable. They're super cute. Nothing from that store was more than like 15 or 16 bucks a piece. So yes, love these. Now the next pair of shoes that I got are definitely very trendy right now, and you know, I'm just gonna show them. So I got this pair of light blue PVC booties, and I got this from a brand online called Miss Lola. They used to be called Lola Shoutique, and I actually first heard of them from YouTube. So as you can see here, it's got a pretty skinny silver heel, and then they are very pointy-toed, which I like. And I can think of like a very specific dupe that this is a designer that's really popular, but this is definitely the Yeezy, you know, Kim Kardashian look and feel. And I think, again, fashion right now is fun. Everything in your closet does not have to be a classic, which these are definitely not a classic. But I'm excited to do a little experimenting. In Dallas, they have a lot of day parties, so I definitely could do like a cute little look in this. So I can't wait to style these. And again, follow me on Instagram to see how I style everything. And they do have little holes near the sole of the shoe so that it's a little bit more breathable. Like, it doesn't have a tongue right here, so your feet can breathe a little bit more. You know, you won't have, you know, like smoked sausages. So yes, I cannot wait to wear these and style these. All right, now this next item you have seen before on my channel, especially if you watch my Amazon designer dupes. And I got another pair of the Hermes Oran dupes, but this time I got the version that has the little heel. But I ended up returning my black pair because, y'all, I'm not gonna play myself like that. The 8.5s were just too small for me, and I really liked those shoes. So they didn't have the black in my size, but I was able to return those and reorder them in this like natural kind of nude color. So I know they did have these in stock in a size 9, and again, just like my Amazon dupe videos, I will go ahead and link everything in the description box. All right guys, so that's everything. I'd be curious to know which piece was your favorite, and if you like these types of videos, please feel free to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Remember to be good to yourself, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah. Bye guys.